Patty Christensen here, hand CRPS lady. I feel a little winded, a little hot. I did a thing today. My house is very, very open and it's been remodeled sort of, and it's got that LVP kind of that, plank stuff. And so for me to clean it, I use an auric spin buffery thing, right? And I have to go through with the cleaner and then the buffer and all that kind of stuff. And it's all gripping that machine that is spinning, vibrating. Oh my gosh. And it was a lot. So I'm a little overheated, but it hurts. It hurts a lot to where I'm going, if I don't move, my hands don't hurt so much, but when I start using them, it was pretty painful. But I say pain's a good thing because when I started, my right hand has really taken a hit. These others are trying to flip like that one. And when I started, I was here. That was all I could do. I couldn't even grip the handle. By the time I'm done, that's how much I can grip. So that vibration, that gripping hurts a lot. But whatever that pain is seems to be, able to break up whatever the thing is that's keeping this stuff from moving. So anyway, and, this is my dominant hand, so it gets enough otherwise work that it holds its own pretty well. So just wanted to share that. Thanks.